What's up? What's up? Back. It's your boy Latrell and my girlfriend. I don't know what she calling herself, but we about to try BurgerKing new hand breaded chicken sandwich. They trying to compete with McDonald's, Popeyes, and Chick-fil-A. Can they? We about to find out. I bought a regular one and I bought a spicy one. Which one you want to try?
Spicy.
Yeah, I want to try the spicy too, huh? We both. Kind of all greasy. I think that's the spicy one, probably. They're gonna take them out and they're gonna show them. Hold it up to the thing. That's spicy. That's regular. That's the for the cover.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, people they take the picture while they making the video. Nah, I'm gonna try the regular one. She even tried the spicy one. Try.
You need to wait till I put mine together.
This ain't bad. Napkins. Nope, no napkins. None whatsoever. This ain't bad though. It's about the spicy one.
It's not bad.
Is it spicy?
No.
Well, spicy to you be different from me.
No, it's not spicy.
Let me try the spicy one. You didn't take that much bite. I think you tell it's spicy. No, it ain't spicy. Huh? It ain't bad. Nah, that ain't bad though. When I order again, I don't like BurgerKing like that for real. So probably not.
It ain't bad.
But it ain't bad. Which one like better though?
I'm a little disappointed though, since I bit into the spicy one. Now I'm eating the regular one.
For which one, the spicy or the regular one?
The spicy one.
Why can't
Because they have seasoning and more flavor.
The spicy one there?
Yeah. This one is just chicken and pickles.
Oh, you want the spicy one back? You want a bite? Yes, you want a bite, huh? You want it. I can tell you want a bite. Big old pickles though, huh?
Oh yeah, it's a lot of pickles. They barely put pickles on a regular burger. They put more pickles on this.
Now, these are new pickles. These pickles that they trying to copy McDonald's sandwich with.
Yeah, but it's like
BurgerKing has kind of pickles.
those some weird looking pickles.
Yeah, on the spicy one, with about 5 pickles on there.
There's a lot of seasoning on it now.
And about 2 pickles on this one though. Unless you don't eat one of the pickles.
With the spicy, it's a lot of seasoning in it.
Ain't
You
that,
think it's more seasoned? I think it's more seasoned than that is.
ain't that spicy though. Come on, BurgerKing. If you can do spicy, at least do a little spicy. You ain't gotta burn our mouth, but at least make it spicy. But that's the end of this video. We're about to finish eating.